Tired of placing dimensions manually in Revit? Meet Quota, your new time-saving tool. Quota automates dimension placement by reading the geometry of elements visible in your active view. Open a floor plan. Select a category. Choose an axis and side, then click Place Chain Dimensions. Spacing chain documents every width and gap across your walls in one pass. Grid. Split chain inserts structural grid references directly into the chain. Need a fresh start? Clear Quota Dims removes every quota-placed dimension after a quick confirmation. Find Quota on the AvantLeap tab today.